Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I, Deepmani Bardwaj, welcome you all again, and today we will be discussing those 5 tips which will be helping you to crack the SBA apprentice. Fine, so let's start with our topic. See, if we talk about the banking jobs, then banking jobs have emerged as the most favorite career option right now, isn't it? Now, if we are talking about the banking job, then the most talkative job or the most important one for which the people are discussing these days are SBA apprentice, isn't it? And its examination is also coming. The tentative date that is told us is January, isn't it? So in the month of January, this examination is going to be conducted. So if we talk about this reputed job, people think they are very tough, isn't it? They are tough to crack. But if you are focused on it, then nothing is impossible, because people who are cracking this, or the students who are cracking this examination, are not the ones who are coming from Mars or Jupiter. They are from the Earth itself, isn't it? So this examination is simple, but the thing is that what kind of approach you are using. So the most important thing is what approach is being taken and how much practice is being done. So I'll be discussing those 5 tips by which you will be understanding how you can crack this examination. And no doubt hard work is required in each and everything, isn't it? But that hard work is also not important, which is not important for examination. So using the smart work, how can we crack the examination? So we'll be discussing all those 5 important tips. So let's start with the first tip. The first tip is that know your examination syllabus and examination pattern. See, this is the most important thing, because people think that all the examinations are based on the same pattern. No. You can take the example, since we are discussing about SBI apprentice, and if we discuss about SBI PO clerk, the examination pattern is totally different. Because if we talk about SBI prelims or clerk or PO examination, in that what happens? In that first prelims is taken, then mains is taken, in which if we talk about prelims, there only quant section is there, then reasoning section is there, then English section is there. Only these particular sections are included in prelims, isn't it? But if I talk about SBI apprentice, then their computer is also there, their general awareness is also there, and only one examination will be there. So the most important thing is that examination syllabus is to be needed, and apart from examination syllabus, examination pattern is also important. So be aware of examination pattern, what all would be coming in the examination. It is very important. Now, since I've already told you, candidates must be aware of the examination syllabus, but apart from examination syllabus, pattern is very important, as I've already given you the example of SBI PO clerk and this SBI apprentice. Now, if I tell you about the prelims and mains, since if we talk about the knowledge of prelims and mains, then this thing is only for clerk or PO. But if we talk about the SBI apprentice, again the point is coming that we must be aware of the pattern. So we must be aware that these sections will be coming only in the one go. Fine, you are not going to wait for the mains examination. These all things are going to come in the prelims itself. So you must be aware of this. Now, if we talk about the syllabus part, then you must be aware of the latest examination syllabus. It is very important. If you are learning or going through the previous syllabus or previous pattern, there are many chances that the syllabus may have changed or the pattern may have changed. So please do not do that thing that you are going with the previous syllabus or previous pattern. Please be updated. Fine. Now, see, this point is that the syllabus from almost all major banks is almost same, and the topics are almost similar. See, this is about the syllabus. No doubt syllabus is almost same, but pattern varies. Pattern varies. It is very important. I can take one more example. If I talk about the NABARD examination, if I talk about the RRB examination, then in prelims only these 2 sections are coming, that is quant and reasoning. English is not there. So you must be aware about this also. So it is very important to be aware about the examination syllabus and examination pattern. So knowledge of both syllabus and examination pattern is important. Second thing, if I talk about the second thing, then this is again important, that you must create a study plan. But if you are preparing for the banking examination and you are not preparing a study plan, then you may be in the problem. So please prepare a proper study plan and that type of plan which you can follow. Students do what? Student create a plan and they are unable to follow that. So please make a plan in such a way. If you are a person who is doing job or you are a student, you know at what time you can study. So whenever you study, please give your 100%. It should not be like that, okay, we are taking the book or we are sitting on the laptop, we are studying, then doing some other work, then studying, then doing some other work. Please do not do that. It is very important. Please make your proper study plan and make proper slots for each and every subject. Each and every subject must be given importance, because if we talk about SBA apprentice, then each and every subject is coming in your first go in itself. Fine. So please make a proper study plan. Sorry. Next thing, take coaching. Now we talk about the take coaching. Now you can go for both online or offline class, but I'll prefer to opt for the online coaching center, because in this what happens, you can continue with this online coaching if you are continuing with your job also. The most important thing for a student also is that if you are going for an offline coaching, it may take you a lot of time in going there and coming back. So you can fix your study hours and take online coaching. And if you talk about the entry, then you can take the help of your mentor also. So using entry application, you can sit at your home after your job, you can start studying, and if you are a student, you can take your lectures whole day, and you can also take the live sessions. So each and everything would be clear if you are going with the online classes, because you can take care of your doubts also, and apart from that you can study also according to your convenience. But yeah, please fix your timing. That is very, very important. Fine. Next thing, practicing. You know that there is a very famous proverb that practice makes men perfect, and as much as you practice, you will be able to crack your examination. Fine. So as you know that quant and reasoning needs practice as much as possible, because every time new type of questions come, new type of pattern comes, so you must be aware of what type of questions are coming, and that can only be done by the practicing. So please practice in the proper way. Now if you practice in the proper way, you will be able to understand what all are your strengths and what all are your weaknesses. So what you can do, what all your strengths would be, you would be aware of that, and whatever weakness your is, what you can do, you can just give your efforts and you can give your best according to that weak part, so that your weakness also converts into the strength. Fine. And how you are going to practice? You will be taking previous year's questions and mock test. Fine. And I'll say that please prefer online test, because the printed media is sometimes the previous one, or the pattern is still that one which was going on many years before. Fine. So please be there with the online test, online question papers, online previous year question papers and mock test. And you can go with the entry application also, where you can take the question papers of the previous year and you can give the mock test as well. Apart from that, you can check your rank also, that where are you standing. It is very important, because you must be aware how much more practice is needed, because until unless we are sitting in the competition, we cannot understand that at what level we are standing. So to understand at what level we are, you must know your rank, and that rank you can take help of our entry application and give test from there, so that you can be aware of what rank you are getting, and sooner your rank is going to boost up. That's for sure. And the fifth and the most important point is, have self-confidence and positivity. You must think that yeah, you will be able to crack the examination because you are following the proper pattern. So candidates' confidence and positive attitude are said to be the ideal key towards his or her success in the competitive bank examination. And since we are talking about the SBI apprentice, it is very important. The candidates during the time of examination should stay relaxed and focused, which will improve the concentration level of the candidates. In this examination, what happens? Students think, oh, it is going to be very tough, and because of that state of mind, students just fell in this situation of the dilemma, and they are in the doubt whether they will be able to crack or not. And at that time, there is an issue that comes, that in spite of knowing the answer, in spite of knowing the solution, they are unable to solve. So please be confident. Confidence is the key to success. You must be confident enough. Please take break and cut off from the study material to relax their mind. It's not like that you'll sitting the whole day idle. Do not sit whole day idle. But yeah, sorry, after studying, please be aware that a small relaxation is also important. Fine. Now if I'll talk about the last and most important point, please make short notes while preparing for the examination, because these short notes are going to help you out in the examination on the day of examination or the previous day of the examination, where you can revise each and everything in a brief manner. Because on the last day or on the second last day, you can't take those thick big books and start studying. So at that time, these short notes are going to play a significant role. So please make short notes while studying also. Apart from all these things, in case you have any doubt, comment section is available for you. We are always available for you. So for any kind of doubt, you can ask any of the faculty. We are always ready for you. And apart from that, please follow our entry application, where you can give your test and get yourself updated about your ranks. So please do like this video, comment on it, share this video as much as possible, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.